Hello, my name is Scott with Shoms Photography, and today we're going to talk about battery drain, storing your batteries in your camera. If you know you're going to be storing your camera for a long period of time, I recommend that you do not store your batteries in your camera. I did a test and still doing a test with this camera here on battery drainage. Because this camera here, when it's off, it actually still shows that it is manual mode. When I flip this screen over, this little red light will flash even with the power off, showing that it is consuming power even with it off. So the first week, I lost 12.5% per battery in this battery grip. The second week, I was at 75% off both batteries. I was down to 75% off both batteries. And right now, after checking, I am down to 65%. And between the 75% and the 65%, that was only 3 days. Again, all electronics consume power, even when they're off. Because, again, it's storing memory and making sure that it starts up quick and fast. That's the reason why it's consuming the power. Like your Godox flashes, the 8600, when it came out, it had a really bad battery drain, and Godox sent out a firmware to fix that, but it still drains the battery no matter what. It's just not as bad as it was. My V860s, I store the batteries in backwards, therefore there is no connection to the battery, and I don't have any battery drain off of it. Same way with my 8200s, I store them out of the flash themselves. Again, I do not store the 360 batteries onto the camera pack or the power pack itself. I keep that all separate. The only ones that I store connected to the flash is the old CL600s, which is the RPS, whatever, 600 by Godox. And that was the pack and head unit. That one, I've never had any issues with any power drain in that, out of that system. I don't know why, but if I left that 2 years down the line, it'll still be whatever power it was when I put it in there. But all the new electronics with the digital screen all consume power. Again, if you are planning on storing your camera, I highly recommend that you take the batteries out. The ESR consumes more power than the 5D Mark III or the 5D Mark IV. So 3.5% out of the 5D Mark IV with the battery stored in it and with the battery grip. So that's a lot less than the 12.5% coming out of the ESR. Maybe Canon will send out a firmware that will fix this issue, just like Godox did, and the power drain will be a lot less than 12.5% per week. Again, this is why we don't store our batteries in our cameras. My name is Scott with Shoms Photography, and thank you for watching.